In this video, we will show you how to replace your mass airflow sensor on this Nissan Altima with a 2.5 liter engine. Order all your parts from oneauto.com. Let's get into it. Locate your mass airflow sensor right on top of your air filter housing here. To disconnect this, you'll find that you have one locking tab where my thumb is. Just squeeze that in and gently separate this. Now that we have the wiring disconnected, we'll move along to our two Phillips head screws that are holding this in place. You'll find one along the front and one diagonally towards the rear. Go ahead and remove both of those and then remove the mass airflow sensor. Let's take hold of that and lift it up and out of here. And there it is, friend. Now that we have that out of there, let's clean and inspect the mounting area. You want to make sure that there's no dirt or miscellaneous debris in this area that could make its way into the engine. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new mass airflow sensor. When we put this in position, you want to make sure you have the sensing agent facing towards where the air filter would be, not towards the engine. Carefully slide this in place. It's extremely delicate. Start in each one of your two mounting screws and then snug them up. Right there is where it feels as though it bottomed out. We'll just make sure that's snug. Keep in mind it is a very small bolt. We don't want to break anything. Bottomed out. Teeny bit more. Now we can reconnect our electrical connector. We'll take this and put it in place with the locking tab facing forward. Press it down, listen for a click, give it a light tug to make sure it is secured. Okay, friend, we showed you how to install the mass airflow sensor on your vehicle. At this point, hop in the passenger compartment, start it up, and let it run for a little while. Make sure you don't have a check engine light, and then take your vehicle for a road test. Now, don't forget to order all your parts from oneauto.com. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.